We live by chance, we love by choice, and we kill by profession. This is the statement of Indian Army.
And this year, India is celebrating the Rajat Jayanti of Kargil Vijay Divas, a war that showed the world our soldiers' courage and determination.
To pay the tribute of courage and the sacrifice of our national heroes, Hero MotoCorp has joined their hands with Indian Army by organizing a D5 motorcycle expedition.
In this D5 expedition event, 3 teams of Indian Army have started their ride from 3 corners of India and are marching towards the Dras sector in Kargil. The first team is from Dwarka in the west, the second is from Dhanushkodi in the south, and the third is from Dinjan in the east. On 26th of June, all the 3 teams gathered at Parade Ground in Delhi where Rajat Jayanti of Kargil Vijay Divas was being celebrated. In this event, we got to know the inside stories of what really happened in Kargil in 1999 and how artillery infantry played a very important role in winning the war. All the participants were honored and were wished good luck for the coming ride. The bikes used by riders were Maverick 440 and Xpulse 204V from Hero MotoCorp. We also asked the riders about their experience on the bike, but first let's hear what Hero MotoCorp has to say about this event.
So we have Geetika from Hero MotoCorp. Geetika, welcome to SJ Vlogs.
Thanks, Shubham.
And on this Rajat Jayanti of Kargil Vijay Divas, Hero and the Indian Army is organizing the D5 motorcycle trip. What message would you like to give to the audience who are watching us and all about this D5 motorcycle trip?
Absolutely. So the reason Hero has partnered with the D5 expedition, in this case with the Indian Army, is because we wanted to honor our nation's heroes that played a pivotal role in victory, right? And through this, we wanted everyone in India to understand and believe in the power of the Indian Army as well as the power of themselves. Having strength, courage, conviction, and really striving for your goals is extremely important. And that is why we have partnered with the Indian Army. The motorcycle expedition has started from 3 different parts of India. Riders converged here today from south, east, and west, and will be riding right up to Dras, where we have the Kargil War Memorial. And this is a really, really big moment for us at Hero. It's a pivotal moment in India's history, and we are very honored to be a part of this, and the fact that Indian Army chose us as their partner to take these riders. I've spoken to some of these riders. They've been enjoying our Xpulse and our Maverick, and they will continue to do so. They are really riding for thousands of kilometers, so we wanted to ensure that we give them motorcycles which ensure maximum comfort for them.
So we have Lieutenant Colonel Vivek Gangal with us. Sir, welcome to SJ Vlogs. How are you?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm very fine. As you can see, we've completed our route of about 1750 kilometers. We started from Dwarka in Gujarat, and we landed in Delhi yesterday. And we are all set to go up till Dras and to commemorate the entire event of Kargil Vijay Divas of the 25th anniversary. And we have been really supported by the sponsors, the Hero MotoCorp. The entire journey till date has been memorable, and I hope the balance part also turns out to be much more memorable and much more inspiring and historic. As we can see, everybody is getting inspired, be it the masses, be it the military fraternity, or be it the civil fraternity. Everybody is just loving the experience.
Since you told me that you landed yesterday in Delhi, how was your flying experience in Xpulse 204V?
Xpulse 204V has been a really game changer on the route. It's the moto sense of the bike, the off-roading experience. When we traveled from Gujarat, not much of off-roading we could do, but on the verge of crossing the Udaipur hills and landing into the Jodhpur deserts, we had an experience of about 30 odd kilometers where we could use the off-roading specifications of the bike, and it turned out to be really memorable.
As we know that in this event, 2 bikes were involved. One was Xpulse and another was Maverick 440. So now we have Captain Ajinkya with us. Captain Ajinkya, welcome to SJ Vlogs. How are you?
I'm good. I'm fine.
How was your experience in riding this Maverick 440 from the west part to Delhi?
First of all, I'm glad that I'm part of such a great expedition. Thankful to Hero MotoCorp for providing us such a robust bike with advanced technology, as it has helped us to traverse any difficult terrain throughout from Dwarka to Delhi, and I'm hoping it will help us to travel Dras without any worry,
Without any hesitation.
without any hesitation.
This Maverick 440cc segment, as you can see, is one of the most powerful machine that Hero has produced. So how was your experience in riding this Maverick 440, riding a 440cc segment bike?
Just my experience was fantastic as I was riding this 440 beast, and when I was traveling through the road, I can feel the difference between the other bike which I had used till now and this Maverick 440. It was amazing.
Tell me honestly, were you riding or were you flying on the roads?
You can say I was flying.
So the story does not end here. This bike has traveled from the south, from the west, from the east, but the story remains about the north. They are flying, they are riding towards the north from Delhi to Dras, to the Gun Hill. So just to know all the updates, all the stories and all the things behind this expedition, you can follow all the social media handles of Hero MotoCorp, which has been listed in the description box.